19. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mackenzie Henderson.
I'm Dylan Austin. Good evening. A new at 10 Blessing Hospital is not wasting any time when it comes to responding to the rising number of COVID-19 cases.
We told you today that there were 31 people in the hospital with the coronavirus. That is a new record. And with that will come a new expansion to handle the influx of cases.
Oh, that's right. WGEM's Frank Healy live outside of Blessing Hospital tonight to tell us about the many new rooms that administrators will add. Frank?
Dylan and Mackenzie, administrators here tell me that there's three new floors that are going to be opening at the Moorman Pavilion here, and they say it's going to add just over 60 new hospital rooms. And they say this all comes at a time when they're seeing more serious COVID-19 cases across the board.
We're seeing some older people or people with chronic medical conditions who need to be hospitalized for oxygen, but we're also seeing some younger people as well now who just have more significant disease burden. They're more short of breath.
Of those COVID-19 patients, Dr. Mary Frances Barthel says only 2 are on ventilators right now. Around 5 additional non-COVID-19 patients are also using ventilators. Even though not all 30 ventilators are available on site, the Blessing Hospital Chief Quality Control Officer says that's not a problem.
So we have extra vents that may not be reflective in those that we could pull and access if we needed to.
Right now, the real need is for rooms. Dr. Barthel says there are 16 ICU beds and 30 other rooms set up for COVID-19 patients. With the Moorman expansion, there will be 60 more, about a dozen of which will immediately be isolation rooms. Then there is talk that Scotland County, Carthage, Illini Hospital, and Hannibal Clinic could potentially take patients.
We have participants on that call on a routine basis.
That preparation could prove to be crucial as doctors continue to try and figure out why there has been an increase in cases.
So is the virus changing? Is it becoming more infectious or not? Then the other question is it more our behaviors?
Administrators here say they can also convert most of the rooms here in the new Moorman Pavilion expansion area into isolation rooms fit for housing COVID or potential COVID patients in a matter of hours. Live in Quincy, Frank Healy, WGEM News.